game ball, but they said I'm like a big teddy bear, so somebody gave me this. It kind of look like Wade, right?
I'm not purple. If I took you, right?
Yeah, that's Wade. That's you.
All right, I see it. I see where this is going. All right, I want to see the rest of the house. Come on, get away.
Oh, there's the Lego head. I just don't know if you know this, but that was the greatest prank in ATM history. In fact, it was so good, it deserves another look. Oh my God! He's gonna kill me, dude. Oh! Dude, I'm sorry. I'll glue it back together. Sorry. Who's got jokes?
People ask me about that every day. Did he really do that? Did he really break your Lego? I'm like, no, he didn't break my Lego piece.
You know what? Honestly, I think I like this game one better than your last one.
Me too.
You don't want the tank down here, right?
No, the tank's not gonna be down here.
Okay.
I thought about it at first, but it's too much. You know, I want people to see the tank. So
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Check it out.